नावेलीच्या रोजरी हायर सेकंडरीच्या NSS क्लबान मंडोपा वाठारात सीड बॉम्ब उडयल्यात. बॉम्ब म्हणटकच भय दिसता, पूण हे विध्वंस करपी बॉम्ब न्हयत, बिया आशिल्ले मातयेचे गुळे. जळीमळी हे गुळे शेवटिल्ले, तातूंतले नवे अंकूर जन्म घेतले. विशेष म्हळ्यार ह्या रानाक कांय तेंपा आदीं कोणे तरी उजो लायिल्लो. पळयात भुरग्यांची सृजनशीलताय.
Which you don't have access to. Okay, so you can use them for the reforestation of that. Now, where do you carry these out? Basically, anywhere. You can use it on a forest. You can use it in the regular barren land. Okay, you can use it in any possible place. Fine, even in your homes, you can use it along the side of the road. You can put the seed bombs anywhere, basically. Okay. Now, seed bombs are a very important thing when it comes to the forest. If you are putting them in the forest, it's a very important thing because in the forest, when you are throwing a seed bomb, whether it is a fruiting type, okay, or a flowering type, it helps to increase the amount of species, or it is going to be acting like a food for the or animals which are there, the wildlife which is there. So if you are, let's say, you are putting a seed bomb of fruits, so it becomes a food for them, the wildlife, so they don't have to come to the villages. You might have seen that happening in the villages, monkeys especially. Okay, so people actually, use crackers also to drive them away. So that is one thing that can be prevented by just putting seed bombs of these, and the chances of survival are higher, okay, of these plants which are produced, and you don't have to take care of them. Once you put them, that's it, they will grow on their own. Is this clear? Okay, so that's the reason why we have chosen it. There are many more also advantages of it. Now here on the hilly area, when you put the seed bombs, they will prevent landslide. Okay, because the roots of it, they are going to be holding the soil together. So soil erosion is also prevented. Okay, so keeping this in mind, now let's enjoy this activity that we are having. We'll actually enjoy it because we are going to throw the seed bomb and helps the plant to grow. Okay, so instead of normally when we say bomb, now what comes to our mind is something negative. Here we are bombing something for love for nature.
It's a very good initiative that NSS Club of Rosary High Secondary has taken up this year. Unlike the other celebrations that we've had on Vanamotsav, a regular activity of planting a sapling, this was something that was novel and with a great purpose. And what we saw over here is students away from their classrooms enjoying doing it. It was not the routine, but they had a different experience of bombing this place. This place is called Mandopa, and the precise name is Melamodi. So it was a kind courtesy of Mr. Zeferino who allowed us to do this over here. And this activity, I'm sure, in the next few years to come, we'll see the fruits of what the children have done today. And we do not intend to finish with our Vanamotsav with this May celebration, but our activities will go on throughout this month and in the year to come. And instead of offering anyone a simple flower, hereafter our students will be offering seed bombs. So this is the manner in which we are going to spread the love for nature and the love amongst children in doing what they do. So I appreciate and my hearty congratulations to the NSS Club and to all the students who prepared the bombs. There is a very specific purpose in preparing a bomb, as the teacher rightfully put it across. It's a mixture of seeds, and the seeds are packed in a nutrient source. But what is important, and students also should be aware of it, is it's just not packing any kind of seeds in the seed bomb. When we pack the seeds in the seed bomb, we have to take care that the local variety of plants are not being done away with. So there are no invasive species. The seeds of invasive species should not be present in the seed bomb. We have to take care of the local crops, local plants that should not be destroyed by the presence of an invasive species. So it's just not about seed bombing, but we also have to be careful about what are the types of seeds that go into a seed bomb. So on this note, I wish every one of you a very happy Vanamotsav celebration, and let this activity and let this festivity for the love of nature go on. Let it not end with this one single activity, but let it go on.
Today we have done a seed bomb and then we have put in the different places, and my message is for the future students is like they should know the value of trees and they should learn to protect it.
We are here on the account of Vanama Utsav. On this day we celebrate planting trees and recording it, but we did something different. We threw seed bombs over here, and it also prevents soil erosion, and we just love being over here. On Vanama Utsav we should try to grow more trees and more plants, seeds, and we shouldn't just pluck any plant we see on our way. It will grow, it will become big and huge.
Goa365 खातीर रमेश नायक राऊत, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी.